Okay, I got my gala apple sliced up. All sliced up. Then I'm about to juice them. If I didn't say, these are Fuji. Now let me sample this. Wow. 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 The Fuji is like very thinner. I didn't think it would be that thin. It's a lot thinner. It's almost like close to water, it feels like. It seems like literally like close to water more than anything, but it's like still sweet though, as far as texture, consistency. Wow. This is different. I was not expecting this. It's different from all the other apples, I'll say that. Wowzers. Well, y'all know what to do with stuff down below.